the 2008 hood is actually flat on this area, and yep, the insulation is flat too. You look at this, yep, that's flat. I have to redo some stuff here. There's some issue with the bolts that I put in. It's not really the correct process. So I'm opening this. Out. So I'm gonna replace that bolt there. So yeah, I think we have to replace this whole thing. Oh no, not really. We're just gonna actually gonna replace both of them. Actually, all of them. Here's the correction. You need to put this bolt first. Yep, because this is actually longer, so you look at that. Yep. Now if you use this, it will be like over this, so it's not fully seated. So that's why you need to use this. Yep. Need to use this bolt, and same thing on the other one. And then you put the brace on top of that bolt. Get that in. Also on the other side. Now time to put the brace. So the brace actually has a space for that bolt. Do we have another empty shell there?
In your yard. Parachutes. Did your kids fall in the arms?
No. We went to my friend's house. The washer over here and that one. This is the right one. Same thing with this one. Yep, and tighten those two bolts and you turn the corner. should match the holes in here. Okay. Now it's hard to align it. Needs to be just a little up. Yep. Now we got all the covers back, and that's the cover. So one of the differences is that the holes there for 2008 versus 2005 is different. On this side, on the rest are the same.